Welcome back to another episode, another day of Hit or Miss TCG. Today I got a number 5 McDonald's pack with the Pika Pika on there. We already know what's in there, so we'll just, yeah. This is what we want. The match battle. Match battle. Oosh. I want to see what I'm getting. Oh wow, let's look at that. Look at that. Man. Straight out the pack. Oh, we got Victini again. Second day in a row. And Chinchow, Flaffy, and Pangoro. This kind of seems familiar. If I'm not mistaken, I think I might have got those exact cards yesterday. I'm gonna have to go back and see. This one I do not see any hollow bleed. Just really curled. I mean, it's like bowed. I'm not really thrilled or happy with this pack. What do you guys think? Would you be happy? Maybe. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. And we'll see you tomorrow.